place value is the value of each digit in a number based on its position. In your lower class, you have studied the place values ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Now, in this class, you are going to read about a new term that is nothing but thousand. Okay. THOUSAND. Thousand. Okay. Now, in this place value, the first comes the ones place, next come tens place, and after that comes hundreds place, and after hundreds you will get a new place, that is thousands place. Here is a picture of the blocks. Okay, see at the right side you have one small box, small square. That's place value is ones place. Okay, and next to that left you have one straight strip like line like squares. That consists of tens place. Okay, and again left of it you have a board like a flat shape. That consists of hundreds place. Okay, and the first picture which you have like a cube, cube which you play, that consists of the thousands place. Okay, this pi abacus already we know, right? Okay, already we know ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and a new topic thousands place is also added in this. Okay, now what you want to do is just you can see the beads green color here, right? You have to just count how many is there and write the number down. Okay, let us start from ones place. See in ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4 beads are there. So take and write 4 here. Okay, now count for tens place. You have 1, 2. Only 2 you have. Okay, so write 2 here. Now come for hundreds place, count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 is there. I'm writing 5 here. And in thousands place when you see 1, 2, 3. Only 3 is there. Okay, so we have finished writing the number of beads here. Okay, so finally how will you read this numbers, children? Okay, 3, 5, 2, 4. Okay, 3 is in thousands place. So 3000. 5 is in hundreds place, so it is 500. 2 in tens place you will read it as 20. Okay, and in ones place whatever is there just read that number 4. Okay, so how will you read this number? 3524. Okay, got it? Same like the last sum, next sum we can see here. Okay, now same we count the number of beads and write here. See in ones place you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 is in ones place. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 is there. Okay, and in hundreds place no beads is there, so you will put a 0 here. Okay, and in thousands place when you see 1, 2, only 2 beads are there. Okay, so how I have told you to read what is in thousands place here? 2000. In hundreds place nothing is there, so leave this. 7 in tens place you will tell it as 70. Okay, and in ones place you have 5, so totally how will you read this? 2075. Clear with this? Next one, in numbers it will be given and you have to write it in words. Okay, the first question what is given? 7,014. One important thing I'll tell you, children, always after the thousands place you have to put one comma there. Okay, after thousands place you have to put one comma. Here your first question is 7,014. In hundreds place there is nothing, so whatever you're just reading you're going to write in words. Right there 7,014. I have told you after thousands place you have to put a comma so while writing in words also after writing 1000 you have to put a comma there. Okay, now coming to the second question, 4,296. Okay, 4296 is given. Okay, in thousands place 4 is there, so you are writing 4000. In hundreds place 2 is there, so you are writing 200. And in tens place 9 is there, so you are writing 90 in words. Okay, and in ones place 6 is there, just take and write 6 in words there. Okay, now coming to the third question, 2,020 is there. Okay, so in thousands place what is there? 2 is there. Okay, so you're writing 2000 in words. Okay, after writing the thousands place you have to put a comma. Okay, so write a comma there, and in hundreds place 0 only is there, so leave it off. Okay, next what is there? 20 is there. 20 is nothing but 20. Okay, that 20 you are just taking and writing it in words here. Next it will be given in words and you have to write it in numbers. Okay, here see my first question, 3746 is given. Okay, what is there? First you see 3000, so in thousands place 3 is there, so I'm writing 3 and I'm putting a comma. Remember that after the thousands place you have to put a comma when you're writing in numbers and you are writing in words, both also you have to put a comma. Okay, so I'm putting a comma there. Next 700, what is there in hundreds place? 7 is there, so I'm writing 7 in number down. Okay, next what is it? 46 is there, so I'm writing a number 46, so my answer is 3746. Okay, next coming to my second question, 2401. Okay, 2000, so what is there in thousands place? 2 is there, so after 1000 place I'm putting a comma in my answer. Next what is there? 401. 401, how you will write? 401. Okay, so in hundreds place 4 is there, in tens place we have nothing, so we are writing 0 there, and in ones place 1 is there. Okay, so I'm writing 1 in number there. Now coming to my last question, 6010. What is there in thousands place? 6 is there, no? So I'm writing 6 in number. After thousands place, I'm putting a comma. Is there anything in hundreds place there in question? No, nothing is there. So I'm putting 0 there. And what is given? 10 is given. How will you write 10 in numbers? 1 0, right? So I'm writing is there. So my answer is 6010. Okay? Thank you, children. So next one we are going to see, give the place value of the colored digit in two ways. Okay, see in each question you will have only one digit in different color. Okay, so that place value you're going to write in two ways. Okay, see for each question you will be having two ways. Now I'm taking the first question. In first question, see the first one how I have written the 8 number, the number 8 is colored, right? Okay, so that first way how I'm writing, I'm just taking and writing the number 8 and which place it is there. It is in tens place. Okay, from right side you will count ones, tens, 100. When you count in such a way, 8 is in tens place, so you're writing 8 tens there. Okay, this is the first method. In second method, how will you write? 8 tens is nothing but how will you write a number? 80 only, no? So I'm writing there 80. Okay, in two ways you're going to write, children. Remember, the first way how will you write means you will just take and write the number and take and write in which place it is there. Take and write in words. Okay, and second method, just what you have written in the first method, no, take and write that in numbers fully. That's all. Okay, coming to the second question, 3628. Here the number 6 is in different color. Okay, so first method usually how you will write, take and write the number 6. Okay, next to that you will write in which place 6 is there. Now here 6 is in hundreds place. Okay, so I'm writing 600s. Okay, second method what you have to do, whatever you have written in the first method, just take and write that in number 600. How will you write a number? 600. Okay, now coming to the third question, 9624. Here the number 9 is in different color. Okay, so for the first method, take and write the number and take and write which place it is located. Okay, it is in thousands place. Okay, so 9000s you are writing there. In second method, just take and write that in number 9000, that is 9 comma 000 you will write. Okay, next method what you're going to see here is expanded form. Okay, expanded form is nothing but the question will be given, just you have to divide it in its place and write. Okay, here the first question 2065 is given. Okay, see I am going from the first only. Okay, what is there in thousands place? 2 is there, so 2 is in thousands place. How will you write? 2000. Okay, write 2000, put a plus. In hundreds place nothing is there, so write 0 and again put a plus there. And in tens place 6 is there. Okay, so how will you write? You will write it as 60. Okay, so write 60, again put a plus symbol, and at last what is there in ones place? 5 is there, just take and write. That's all. This is your expanded form. Okay, similarly coming to the second question, 3849 is given. Okay, 3 is there in thousands place, so you are writing 3000, put a plus. Next 8 is there in hundreds place, so you are writing 800, again put a plus. 4 is in tens place, so you will write 40 there. Okay, again put a plus and take and write that 9. Okay, that's all. Coming to the last question, 9008. Okay, in thousands place, what is there? 9 is there. Okay, so you are writing 9000. Okay, again put a plus. In hundreds place, is there anything? No. Okay, so put a 0. Again in tens place, there is nothing, so again put a 0, put a plus. And what is the last number? 8 is there? No, so just take and write that. That's all. Next, the expansion form will be given and we have to write that in numeral form. Okay, now see the first question. 4000 plus 300 is given. Okay, but now we have to add both the things and give in numeral form. 4000 plus 300 gives you 4300. Okay, next, coming to the second question. 5000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 7. When you add all these, what do you get? 5697. So you write it as 5697. Okay, and your third question is 7000 plus 2 gives you 7002. Okay, so in tens place and hundreds place you have nothing, so you're putting 0 and writing it as 7002. Okay, so with this I'm winding up my class. Okay, the rest of the things we can see in our next class. Thank you, children.